Hello everyone, welcome back to Andre Craft Show. Today's video, I'm going to make this beautiful lily of the valley flowers. If you want to know how I make these seeds here, I already have a pattern for this. Just check in the description box. You will find a link with my tulip video tutorial. But if you want the easy one, like this one here, only a single seeds, you can just easily make it with the wire. Just like this. These are all the materials that I need to make this project. Yarn, a glue, a scissor, and I'm using 2mm size hook. And if you are a beginners, you need markers, of course. And I have 2 different sizes of wire. Or you can use barbecue stick, or it's up to you. So let's start. Make a magic ring. And 6 single crochet, and then slip stitch, one chain, 2 single crochet in each stitch, so total of 12 single crochet, 2, 11, 12, slip stitch, chain 1. Now you're gonna do an increase, 1 single crochet, increase, means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. I repeat, 1 single crochet, increase. Do this until you reach here at the starting point. You must have 18 single crochet. (17), 18, slip stitch, chain 1. Now we will repeat without increase, so there should be 18 single crochet. You just have to single crochet all the way around. Again, slip stitch, 1 chain or chain 1, and we will repeat again 18 single crochet one more time. Meaning no increase, no decrease, just single crochet all the way back. You must have 18 single crochet in total. 17, 18, and then slip stitch. By the way, for the beginners, every slip stitch and chain 1, you should put the markers so you don't get confused. Okay, every slip stitch and chain 1. So this time at this round we will make a decrease. So single crochet, decrease. Again, single crochet, decrease. You must have 12 single crochet in total. So every second single crochet you have to decrease. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slip stitch, chain 1. At this round, we will make this form here. As you can see, there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will do one more chain, so there are 2 chain, and then in the same stitch you will make half double crochet and 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you will do double crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 half double crochet, and then single crochet. Okay, it should be alternate. Again, I will do it again. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch you will have 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet. Okay, do that one until you finish in the starting point of this round. Alright, I'll do it again. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet in the same stitch. In the next stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and then again 1 double crochet. We're almost finished. And then 1 half double crochet, and then 1 single crochet. Now at this point I will not slip stitch here, but instead I will do chain 1, but I will pull it from the back like that, and then chain 1, cut the yarn, and there you have it. So as I told you from the beginning, you can make this one easy, just like this. And then of course you're gonna wave this tail here, or extra yarn, just like that. Or if you want to make the same as this one here, you can check the link in the description box. It's part of video tutorial that I make for the tulip. There you have it. I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.